Welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share with you an awesome method for making money on TikTok. And don't worry, you don't have to be on camera, you don't have to be singing, you definitely don't have to be doing any viral dances or any of that other nonsense we're seeing on TikTok. This method works incredibly well. It's very simple and you can do this using free tools and resources, and I'm going to share with you something really cool what I found out a couple of days ago which will help you to make more money on TikTok. And even if you're not on TikTok, you can start this whole method today. So look, if you found this video useful, please give it a like or comment down below. I'd really appreciate that. So let me share with you this. Now, I'm on TikTok, and I've just typed in woodworking. Now, this can work in any category or in any niche. I'm only picking this one because I know that this method over on TikTok, it works and you can grow an account very quickly. So we've typed in woodworking and we can see here 300,000 followers, 200,000, 100, etc. Okay, now if I come into a couple of these accounts, I'll go into the first one over here. Now these videos are all really short and they're just basic videos of someone cutting wood basically, or working on wood. Now if I scroll up to the top of this account here, we can see they've got 332,000 followers, and they've just got on here, look, like and follow please. They're not monetizing in any way, shape or form. If I come over here, Woodworking Hunter, they've got 203,000 followers, yet look at this, they have a link down here and they're monetizing the channel. And you know, are they uploading anything wonderful compared to this account over here? No, they're not. Come down here, they're just basic, again, just basic woodworking videos. Okay, now you can get these videos completely for free. You can use free software for these, and I'll share all of this with you. Now, here's one thing you will need for this. You see up here, this is awesome by the way, see this here is called Sort for TikTok. Now this is a free extension on Chrome. So if I just click on here now, like so, and I'm going to click on Start, and what's going to happen here is, if it doesn't matter any account on TikTok, you go on there, and if you've got this Sort for TikTok and you click on Start, what happens here is now it's updating all of the videos. So this is going to give us a bit of a boost because it's going to, let me just scroll up now, it's resorting them all into the most popular videos on that account. So what you can now do is you can go onto any account and you can sort those videos via the most popular video that they've uploaded. So what can you do with that information? Well, you can take that and create a similar video and, you know, upload it onto TikTok. Because, you know, this method here, by the way, it's known as piggybacking. We're trying to piggyback that video. And the reason why we're doing that is because, you know, if it's already had success on TikTok, then we can create a video very similar to this. We can use similar hashtags to that, and then we can upload it onto TikTok. And this method works very well on YouTube Shorts as well. So I'm just going to leave this to continue loading because this channel here has got quite a lot of videos, okay? So let me just scroll up to the top here. So if I come back up here, you can see it's still working its magic. So let me keep going up to the top. And I'm going to keep going, blimey. It's still sorting through these videos on here. So I'll let this keep going. But you remember, this account here, they were indeed, they've got a link here, which is a woodworking product. Now I know that that product is over on this platform over here, which is, where's it gone? This one. It's over on ClickBank. Now you can use this with any affiliate network. It doesn't really matter. So I'm over on ClickBank, which is available in 98 countries. You sign up completely for free. You come over to the marketplace, and down here on the left hand side, these are your categories. This is basically whereby you can find products. Now you can search for things via, you know, just woodworking as an example. So I'll type in woodworking, hit on enter, and it's going to bring up any product related to that keyword. So we've got Woodworker's Treasure Chest. We scroll down here, we've got Max's Woodworking, but we're looking at this one here. This has been on ClickBank for a number of years. It's, you know, you can see on here, look, the top seller on ClickBank for years running. It's in an evergreen niche with a huge market, which it is, by the way. And you can see over here, the average conversion rate is $58. Now, they've also got many more, you know, they've got an affiliate page over here, which you can check out. But basically, once you're happy with the product you've, you know, decided on, you just simply click on promote. And then you can send the traffic, you can send it to the default page, or you can send it to an alternative one in this example. But I'm just going to click on create hop link. And you see this long link down here now, that is my link. So if I send any traffic over to this sales page using this link, I will earn an affiliate commission. Straightforward and simple. So let's go back over to TikTok and see. So we can see here now it's filtered this to the most popular videos on this channel. So we can see now, so this video here has got 2.6 million views, and it's this here. So we can have a look at this video and we can create one similar. We've got this one here, 171,000, 41, 33, etc. So this is the reason why you can go ahead and get this sort for TikTok. It's a great free app. Okay, so once you've gone ahead and you've got this, and you can see the videos which have already had millions of views and thousands of views, the next step is we move on to creating the video. And when I say creating the video, I'm not talking about going outside and knocking up some wood together. I'm talking about using softwares to essentially speed up the entire process. Now we've got a few options for this. You can go onto free stock sites like Pexels, Pixabay, and there's thousands of them. Now the other thing what you can do is, so if you was to go down that route, you would go onto Google and you just type in free stock videos, okay? And then what you have to do, so here you can see on here we've got Pexels, Mixit, Video, Vive, and many more. So what you'd have to do is you'd have to go into all of these and you'd type in search for free videos. You'd just type in woodworking. We don't do this, by the way, I'm just showing you this as an option. So you come on here, you type in woodworking videos, you can see we've got 513 and these are free. So if you want this, you just download it. And the same with any of these, okay? So you download the videos. Then you'd have to go on to another website called OpenShot or something similar. OpenShot Video Editor. And you would take all of the videos that you've downloaded, you'd take them into this OpenShot and you'd play around with them to create, let me just click on there, to create a video for TikTok. Now this method, it's free, it takes a bit of time and effort, but it's simple and you just drag them in. You can also use a piece of video software. I've shared this with you so many times, and again I'll drop a link to this down below for you. It's absolutely free. It's this one over here and it's called InVideo, and basically it works in a very similar fashion. It's just drag and drop, and you can see over here it's absolutely free to get started with. And basically inside of here you can take the videos created and upload them onto TikTok. You can do this with text to video. You can also upload your own image. There's lots of stuff you can do inside of here. Let me see if I can, in fact, let me very quickly, I'll log in to show you this, because it's just templates. So you take an existing template and yeah, you just play around with that. So let me just go to this one here. Let me log in. And I'll show you how this works, because using this video software here, you can create hundreds of TikTok videos. Realistically, you could create 100 videos inside of here in about 2 hours. It really isn't that difficult to use this software, okay? Now, inside of here, what? Am I logged in? Is it logged me in? Let me try that again. There we go. We are now logged in. And as you can see up here, look, these are templates. So you can take any template on here. The only thing you need to do is if we scroll down here, you want to go to vertical, which is perfect for TikTok and also Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. You come onto here on vertical, you scroll through, you find one of these templates that you're happy with, and you can see on here it shows you trending templates. So these are all perfect for TikTok. Come down here, we've got what's hot, what's new, and other bits. But basically, you pick one. So anyone, it doesn't matter. So just pick any one of these. So let's scroll down. Let's take a trending one. So let's just go with. That's pretty cool. Let's just go with this one. As I mentioned, it doesn't really matter. So we'll use this template here. And then inside of this, you can select, let me pause that, you can select images to use in your videos. You can also use stock video, and basically the software here, it uses the free websites and it just speeds up your time. Instead of you having to go over to them all yourself and download them, inside of this piece of software here, you just search for this via a keyword, and then it's just drag and drop. So you can see at this moment in time, this over here, the editor, this is our template. And then if we come over to, let's just go to videos, obviously you wouldn't want that. You would want something, related to the category or the niche you're going to be uploading videos onto TikTok about. So So I'm just going to type in woodwork. Now I'm going to type in woodwork, hit on enter, and it's going to bring up any video with that keyword in. And you can also do this for images as well, and if you really wanted to, you could upload your own. But you can see on here we've got lots of videos that we can use. So first of all, let's get rid of this one over here. We don't want that, and I definitely don't want this here. So let's start with this one. So we'd go with this video. So I'm just going to add this over here. Now we've got a couple of options. I'm just going to click on trim the video to fit the scene and click on add. So now our video has gone over here. Okay. Now we've got a few options. You can drag and drop. You can drag it, wherever you want on the thing, on the scene. Sorry, on here. You can also make it bigger like this if you want to, zoom in a bit. And then you've got many more options. So if you wanted to add some text in here, so let's just say I wanted to put that up there, and I wanted some text like this over here. I'd click on text, and I've got heading, subheading. So let me just go with this. So I'm going to click on add a heading. And that's gone onto there. Now I'm going to drag this down to the bottom, and I'm just going to type in some text. So as an example, we'd go with 3 simple woodwork tips. And you can see on there, that is far too big. So now I'm going to drag this over here, and you can have it like that if you wanted it, or you could, do it like, basically you can play around with this as much or as little as you like. You can play around with the font, the size of this, the text, etc. So that there would be scene 1 or slide 1. And then you just do the process for the next one and the next one. And once you're happy with this, you come up here and you click on download, and then you take that video over to TikTok, and you start uploading those videos. And then within your comment section and also over on your TikTok profile, you can have a link over to that product over on ClickBank or any affiliate platform. Now let me share this with you as well. So this is a course I bought, and guess what? It costs $1. But basically inside of this course, this is where I found out about this up here, this Snap, what was it called? Sort for TikTok. This over here is called 15-second free leads, and it's $1. It's absolutely awesome, okay? And you can see on here, look, just made a sale off TikTok, only started putting up videos yesterday. Someone here, this is Linda, her results, and then you can go through and have a look at all of this, but it's $1. Now inside of this course here, I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. It's this here. So how to come up with endless 15-second video topic ideas. If I click on there, it takes me over to this video. It's a 17-minute video. The next one is, what is the next one? Come over here, let's just go to next lesson. The next one is the perfect TikTok profile with multiple expert instructors. This here, 17-minute video, and it's $1. Then we're on to the next video. Look, get TikTok to share your videos with multiple expert instructors. Come down here, 20 minutes, and then next lesson, post exactly what people want with, multiple people on here. This one is 37 minutes. And then the final one is a quick and dirty guide to TikTok, again with multiple people. This one here is nearly an hour training, and you get all of that for $1. So it's pretty good. So I'll drop a link to this down below for you. Definitely go ahead and check out this course because it's awesome. It works very well, especially on TikTok. And I'll also drop a link to this video software, which is absolutely free. But to recap the whole method, we decide on a category or a niche. We find the products that we're going to promote on TikTok. We then start creating content like we can see on here using this video editor. And then we upload it onto TikTok, making use of hashtags and obviously viral sounds and music and other bits. And you learn all about all that inside of this course over here. So look, that's today's video. Hope it all makes sense. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.